If only this were as easy as saving $600 when you switch to Progressive. Winds stirring, too treacherous for a selfie. Sure, I've taken discounts to new heights with Safe Driver and paperless billing, but the price at the top is worth every last breath.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A strong and potentially life-threatening hurricane is expected to develop near Florida, Virginia, North Carolina, and Louisiana at approximately 4:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. This particular hurricane, dubbed Hurricane Andrias, appears to be stronger than Hurricane Katrina, which occurred in 2005. All residents of these areas are advised to seek shelter now. Be sure to bring enough food and water, a flashlight or candles, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Stay tuned to the station for further updates on this life-threatening situation.
The following ad is being condensed for your viewing convenience.
I just switched to Geico, saved a whole bunch.
Car insurance, huh?
Yeah, saving money? Super easy.
Oh man, who doesn't like saving money?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm has been seen moving near Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. This storm will bring dime-sized hail, torrential rainfall, lightning, and the possibility for isolated tornadoes. Stay tuned to the station for further updates on this developing situation.